Emma's gonna.
All in these big seats.
I still have yet to open it up all the way to 35. That dude pulled out in front of me earlier.
Yeah.
And then another van, I was going like 30, getting ready to top it out, and the van looked, went, turned right out in front of me. So I had to like.
I need a big strong man to lower my seat.
Oh, was that one a little tall for you, Amanda?
Just a little.
What the? Seat on this thing too?
Uh-huh. Is that low enough?
Yes.
The fact that I already have like 4 bucks.
How many?
4.
Well, I've been riding it, and I haven't charged it up either, but I've been riding it a little bit, so. Yeah, it's got a twisty. Your kickstand's down there, Devin. So anyway, what about it?
It just
It moves, doesn't it?
smooth.
Super smooth.
Super smooth. Just flat out, the tires just grab a hold of the road and just locks the bike down.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's great. That's great.
It is.
When I got on that thing, I said, wow, this is my, I didn't call it my favorite bike. I said probably my second favorite bike next to the Magicycle Deer. But that bike is just, it's amazing.
And that 8th gear,
makes all the difference.
holy cow, I wish I had that on the Zoda for sure.
I wish.
Because the gearing just makes all the difference. It's not, even with like the 7-speed on the Zoda, you're in 7th gear, you're really having to put in a lot of effort
To keep up with it.
to get the bike moving.
Okay.
The ratio is just super easy going, and it just pushes the bike.
I know, it's awesome. It's awesome. What are you girls smiling at?
Emma said, "Do you want to go?"
Amanda's like, yeah, but I want to ride my Troxus because Amanda's almost made the decision she's going to take over the Troxus.
I could understand why.
It's smooth.
It is so smooth.
I wish the Lynx was upgraded like this one. Oh, that would be amazing because it's a smaller 20-inch tire.
Oh,
But if it had that type of gearing where you could just no ghost pedaling, it'd be amazing.
I know. That was what blew my mind, is that, you know, Amanda had it in pedal assist 5, and this thing
Just goes.
and I just clicked it into 8 real quick, and it had no issue.
Yep.
So,
Go enjoy the ride.
yep, I gotta go find them. Oh, they're right there. They didn't make it very far, apparently.
No. How do you like that one?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like the Troxus better.
Do you really?
Yeah.
That Troxus is nice. I'm telling you, it's real nice.
Really nice.
This is just this
is a good little bike.
it is.
It
It's.
goes.
I like it. I do. I like it.
If you were going to ride it every day as a substitute,
Like a commuter bike.
absolutely.
Yeah.
If this was your way of transportation, it'd be perfect.
It'd be amazing, especially with it. I don't know if you heard, but I've got a big basket that can go in the back right here.
Okay, perfect.
They also have a seat that's on the way now that is a full seat, so you can take the basket off if you want and put a full seat with foot pegs, and then 2 people can ride it.
Yeah.
So it's
So
pretty
if
nice.
this was like somebody who could afford it but is living, say, California, this would be a way better option for travel than
The bus.
the bus, the motorway,
Yeah.
you know, where all the high traffic where it takes hours on end to get
Yeah.
somewhere. You could easily travel with this.
Cool. All right. And you like the Troxus? You like the Troxus better than this one?
I'm not sure yet.
Not sure.
I don't know yet. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know. All right. Just curious. Just curious.